Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to create desktop shortcut for settings in Windows 11 or Windows 10. The settings app in Windows 11 or Windows 10 lets you access and adjust various system settings of your computer. And definitely you can create a desktop shortcut for Windows settings to easily launch the settings app on your Windows computer. Just follow this quick and easy method and let's go ahead. Dito lang sa ating Windows screen, so right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select yung new. And then dito sa new, so kailangan mo lang select yung shortcut. And then dito sa kanyang box, type the locations of the item, kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na ms-settings. And then semicolon. Alright, so type mo lang yung ms-settings, semicolon, and then click mo lang yung next. Dito naman sa type of for this shortcut name, kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. Alright, so pagkatapos mo i-type yung settings na name natin dito, ay kailangan mo na click yung finish. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple talaga mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-create ng settings for desktop shortcut. So pag in-open natin to, so open lang natin, ay automatic mga kaibigan na pupunta tayo agad dito sa ating mga apps and other settings. So shortcut ito na mabilisan talaga. It's a quick technique dito sa Windows 11 or Windows 10 mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple. And maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.